This is a quick video to show you how to use invisible logic to create a full name variable that combines others and either includes or excludes that middle name variable based on whether or not there is an answer to it. So here on this first page, I've got 3 questions to collect each name. So here we have the first name, the middle name, and the last name. And you'll notice that the middle name has to be non-required here. And then when we come to invisible logic, we'll create a new variable to store that full name. So we'll make a text variable and call it full name. And then on this first section, we're going to leave it blank because we want it to have a different value based on some logic. So if I come in to add invisible logic, then we'll set our conditions. So we'll say if middle name is blank, we'll just leave this blank here. Then full name will be equal to first name, space, and last name. And we set that by selecting the variables to add the first name. And to add the spaces in this text section, we just type a space and click add. And then we'll also set an else condition. So we've said that if the middle name is blank, then full name is just first name, space, last name. And then we want to set this else condition to cover all the other cases. So otherwise, full name is first name, space, middle name, space, last name. And again, we add these in here by selecting the variable name, clicking add, and then when we need to add a space in this text section, adding a space and clicking add. So if we run this, just to show you what this would look like, if I enter a first, middle, and last name with no spaces after each word, then you can see I have first name, space, middle name, space, last name. If I change this to take out the middle name, then you'll see I have first name, 1 space, and the last name. Let us know if you have any questions.